Hi guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application again, and we will show you how to add multiple videos on TikTok. So to get started, let's go to the TikTok app. Right now we are on our profile page, where we have to pick on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start new TikTok creation. Amazing. And to not shoot to record a new TikTok, we just only have to tap on the upload section, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Later, don't forget to pick on the dot opposite the select multiple option. And later, we need to pick on the videos section, which is here at the top of the screen, to be able to select the needful videos from our gallery app. So after, we need to tap on the selected videos, choosing the dots. I will choose this one, select the next one, and the third one is that. Later, let's tap on the next option and wait a minute. Perfect. Right now our TikTok was created, and it has 3 different clips in one. So to manage them, let's tap on the adjust clip section, which is located on the right side of the screen too. And after, let's tap on the needful clip to correct its duration. After dragging the selector to the right or left side, you can choose the needful time of our clip and correct its duration. But remember that you are not able to change its length. So only in this way you can correct this clip. After, don't forget to press the arrow at the bottom of the screen and tap on the save to confirm all of the changes. Well done! Right now you know how to create the multiple to TikTok in the TikTok application. Don't forget to press the next option to go to the drafts or to post this video to your profile page. I will choose the second option and wait a minute to upload your TikTok. Later we will refresh our profile page to check the result. Well done! Let's tap on it one time too. And as you can see, right now our video will be changed and the next clip will appear. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok channels, and don't forget about likes. Bye bye!